Hey guys, this assignment for chapter 5 is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to go over it just in case. So for chapter 5, you are going to record a video where you're doing a literary analysis, and this is to practice for your 5-minute oral presentation, which is going to be your final assignment for this class. For this unit. You'll notice that you are not going to do a paper like we have for the other novels. For this one, you're doing a 5-minute oral presentation, and so this is going to be a good practice for that. So here I have a document explaining the directions, and this is all of these quotations. There are 11 quotations. They're all from chapter 5. You're going to choose one of them and then delete all the others. Delete the ones you don't choose. And you're going to do a literary analysis of the quotation. You're going to set up the quotation. You're going to include the quotation. And then you're going to give me a literary analysis of the quotation. For this, you don't really need to worry about beyond the novel or the concepts. So, once you've decided on your quotation, let's say you're going to do number 2. So, just like we did with our literary analysis charts, I want you to set up the quotation. I want you to include the quotation, and then I want you to do the literary analysis. What is in this quotation that, literary analysis-wise, similes, metaphors, personification, that whole thing. By this point, it should be old hat, right? So you are going to read the quotation. It's just like you were doing an oral presentation, okay? So you want to really be cognizant of these things. Don't say I think or I believe. You want to give Fitzgerald credit. You don't want to say talks about. Instead, you want to say writes about. Do not chew your gum while you're recording. I do not want to see gum in your mouth or hear you clomping on it. Make sure you practice. Don't just wing it, because that's going to cut down on your like so's, yeah. And there are some students that I get so distracted by their likes that I can't even concentrate on what they're saying, and it's so frustrating. And so if I get so distracted by it that really that's all I'm paying attention to, I'm just waiting for the next like. I'm just waiting for the next like. Then I'm just going to give a 0 because you're not practicing. So you need to be aware of those things. Practice. Record yourself before you turn in a recording and see if you say like 1,000 times or so, any of those fillers, okay? So let me know if you have questions. Upload your recording to Schoology. It's already here, right? You're just going to do it here. Make sure you're ready, make sure you're prepared, and then let me know if you have any questions.